CB51 package demo video. Exquisite set storage box. Rich display of accessories. Next, insert the motor into the main control box. Turn on the power switch of the main control box. Open the frequency connection of the remote control. Use imagination, any combination, expand thinking and cultivate hands-on skills. A set of building blocks. 12 different forms and gameplay can be pieced together. Download and open the app. There are various different sets of apps available. Open the corresponding package to chat at any time. Assembly instructions for all modular shapes that can be assembled in the set. You can also use the app for control. Click the programming button to enter the programming interface. Drag the programming module for programming. Click on the upper right corner to run programming. Can be saved at any time during the programming process. CB51 package demo video.